Welcome back to another walk around and test drive video here at Coyote Classics. It's a beautiful day, and in front of us we have a beautiful car. This is a 1967 Camaro, pretty much done just like it came from the factory. White with red interior, 327 with air. Awesome car.
Yeah, everything's right on it except for it was not a Super Sport from the factory, but it did have the ermine white paint, red bucket seat console interior, factory air, factory power steering. And I'm glad they did the Super Sport on this one, Dalton.
Yeah, I like that nose stripe, and it's just a beautiful car. That white with the red interior and the red lines.
What I love about it is the floors, the frame rails, everything's rock solid on it. Doors shut and open nicely. It's just a quality car.
Yeah, no doubt.
Not a trailer queen, but it definitely can go to any show you want to take it to.
Damn near looks like a trailer queen from 5 foot.
It's nice.
Perfect sound too.
What I like about it is no one's even ever changed that original M-Eco 327 two-barrel.
It's just a gorgeous car, got it. I like it a lot.
I love the SS hood, the nose stripe. Get under the hood, I mean, it's just bone stock original. Air conditioning works, power steering, factory fender tag. Really nice car with one repaint, basically.
It's just really classy.
It is. It's got the front and rear spoilers. Gaps on the hood are great. This is another car we can just let run the whole time we're doing the video, man. It's just nice and quiet.
Yeah, this is definitely going to take a trophy at your local car show.
Yeah, it will. Redline tires are great. Radials. The paint on this one is really nice as well. A couple tiny little chips right along the bottom of that front door. The bottom of the back of the door lines up great. The body lines are nice. When they cloned it, they even did the SS gas cap, emblems, hood, nose stripe. In behind the back window is excellent. The back package tray is nice. Top of the back seat is excellent. No rips there. The felts are all in great shape. They were redone when it was painted. They also did a nice job on the door jambs. Sometimes on these cars, especially when we call them a driver car, they don't do as nice a job on the door jambs. This one they did a fantastic job, and doors are rust-free. Top of the dash pad's awesome. They even did the SS steering wheel, D. Got a little nick here in the seat on the Ford. Back seat's excellent. It's got seat belts in the back. Headliner is super tight. Rear sails, visors are nice. It's gonna make somebody a great car.
Definitely will.
A couple more tiny little chips just on the back edge of the door. Let's roll up the windows and take her for a spin, should we? Back window goes up nice. The rubber here is excellent as well.
It was a factory buckets and console car too.
Yeah. AM FM radio. Wipers work nice. The wiper blades are in good shape as well. Horn works. We do have to do some work on the fan here. I know the air worked too when it came in, but the fan might have blew a fuse. Doing things wrong. So we'll check out the fan speed and find out what's going on there. Gas gauge works, 2-speed power glide. The console is awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I'm sure you mentioned too, but even the paint on the dash and glove box door, it's all finished beautifully.
I'm glad you caught that. Even in here, they got a little crack here on each side with that top screw, but the paint and stuff is nice on the, beautiful on the top of the doors and the rear. The inside is just super clean on it.
There's just something about that white with red guts that just looks classy. Looks like you should have like a suit and tie driving it.
Exactly. Black with red interior is awesome as well. Yeah, it's so quiet going down the road, huh?
Well, that's kind of what you get too with that original car.
I think it's a 66,000 mile car. I really do.
Yeah.
Just by the floors, the tightness of everything. No one's ever changed that motor. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Looks pretty much bone stock under there.
And the fit and finish.
Yeah.
Like you said. Chip.
Transmission shifts excellent.
Kick downwards.
Yep. Kind of a windy day today.
Yeah, it is.
Speedometer works great.
What a nice driving car.
Yeah, it's super tight, Dalton. Goes down the road awesome. Power steering works nice. We got to get the heater fan fixed. Other than that, this one's ready to go to the next buyer.
It's a beauty.
Yeah, the dome light worked earlier when I opened the door. I mean, it's just ready to go.
Yeah, definitely is. Love it. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Links down in the comment section of the video if you're watching on YouTube. But don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and thank you guys for watching.